When news breaks in India, we are the window to the world.
An engine of change, a source of information, a force that propels the nation, a channel that makes an impact.
Special investigations that make you sit up and take notice. Operation Water Rat, or uncovering the barbaric nexus between the mafia and the saviors of life. Or unsuspecting citizens being fleeced of what is rightfully theirs. IBM defines the general news category and continues to be the trailblazer in breaking news scenario.
We are cutting into that news. There's coming in, there's been a flood.
From Bombay blasts to Pramod Mahajan being shot to the Surya Narayanan tragedy, we were at the forefront everywhere.
And the captain wanted Sehwag, definitely, yes.
I'm in charge here.
The kind of love that the old knights of old.
When the bigwigs have to get their word across, it's only on the most reputed and widespread news channel with more than 500 news reporters spanning across metropolitan India to the remotest parts of the country. There is just no story that passes us by.
A channel that is the epitome of journalistic excellence in this country.
IBM has established new benchmarks in editorial properties by introducing State of the Nation, the only interactive poll of its kind. Golden South, a series that celebrated the golden jubilee of the formation of the southern states of India. Cheer for India, our very own official network for the Indian cricket fans. With a wide array of news features to entertainment features and from current affairs to lifestyle programming.
It is our commitment to take you to the heart of the news and to tell you how it is affecting you from every perspective, whatever it takes.